Well, this is the third time I've now had the head off my ZD30 engine. G'day guys, this is what's going on. So I've got the same problem, same fix, and now it's back again. After 450,000 plus Ks on the clock, is my ZD30 finally done. You know, I bought this G-Patrol brand new back in 2009. It's a one owner. You know, now it's got over 450 odd thousand Ks on the clock, and up until now, it's been a bloody good car. But there's just one issue that just seems to keep coming back. And it starts with coolant spurting out once again through the header tank. Now with these ZD30 engines, that generally means one of two things or both. You've either got a cracked head or a blown head gasket. Like I said, worst case scenario, you've got both of those issues going on. And that's exactly what it was, another blown head gasket. You know, I was getting to the stage where, you know, I'd be checking the oil and topping up the coolant. Not an ideal situation. That's how much coolant it was going through. Yeah, and the first time this happened was back in 2019. You know, the head came off, yeah, it got fixed. And then about 14 months ago, sort of from now, same thing happened again. And now, here we are for the third time in just 7 years. I don't know, that's a third head removal for the same issue. This time the Patrol's off the road for 2 months. We went all in, complete new gasket kit was installed, everything was done again. But I don't know, how many times do you keep doing this? So is it time for a reality check? You know, 450,000 plus Ks on that ZD30 engine, 17 years old, now reoccurring head issues. So to what point do you stop spending money and start rethinking about the whole setup? But the big question is, you know, do I keep fixing the ZD30 and hope it holds? Or do I start looking at other options, i.e. engine conversions? You know, this mighty G-Patrol, it's been a big part of my life for over 17 years. So this ain't an easy decision to make, but something's going to change. Might include getting some new gas struts to hold me bonnet up, but something's also going to change. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one. Hooroo.